Hey, what's going on? We got a package right here. So let's just go ahead and see what this is all about. Let me go ahead and see what's in this box. So this is like a mystery unboxing. I have no idea what this will be. Okay, so we have some styrofoam. Oh my god. Yeah. What? Okay, wait a minute. Well, let me compose myself. Alright. So I got an email from this company called TicPods, and I'm gonna just take this out of the box so I can show you, but let me just read some of the description. It's a true wireless smart earbuds for completely interactive experience. A new level of audio interaction to the listener. Now powered by Mobavi's in-house voice motion technologies, touch and motion technologies. It means you have options to listen and navigate in any situation. You have the quick commands, the head gestures, and the touch controls, and a TicHear smart assistant, as well as aptX Qualcomm audio, the Qualcomm aptX audio, and the dual mic noise cancellation, fast charging, 5.0 in-ear detection, and more. All right. Okay, so let me see, is there anything else in here? All right, that's pretty much everything that's in the package. But I'm really excited because this might be the first time like you might see these. I've never seen these before, ever. So you can see right here, it says TicPods 2 Pro, and it has the true wireless Qualcomm aptX audio, which is engineered with this software inside of it, the Qualcomm chip, which is definitely going to be pretty sick. You can see right here it says TicHear, which is an in-house technology, as well as Tic Motion and the Tic Assistant, which is definitely going to be pretty sick. But let's take a look right here. You get quick commands right here on the back of it, which we're going to look at. You also get head gesture controls as well as touch controls. Audio technology powered by in-house AI algorithms. It provides seamless interaction for the user's device and everything like that. So I'm curious to see what these have to offer. Let's go ahead and open up this box. A nice cut right there. And let's go ahead and take off the packaging right here. And you can see the box does look really good. Just nice packaging, serial numbers on this side. On that side, you can see it does say the Tic Motion. I keep saying TikTok. TicHear as well. And then you got I'm trying to pronounce this correctly this time, Mob Voice as well. So these are the TicPods 2 Pro. So let's go slide this open, and these are just looking really sweet as far as the presentation so far. So let me see something. Okay, so let's just put that off to the side. Wow, so this looks dope as hell. You can see it says TicPods 2 AI interactive TWS earphones, the AI assistant in your ear. What? I can't believe these guys really sent these out to me. So I appreciate them 100%. Like, for real though. So let's take a look at some of the gestures that we're getting. So you must read before turning on the device for the first time. You get these blue tape. You got to take out the blue tape. It says that they use Type-C. So they say not to use the third-party charging cord. Device pairing is ready when the lights come on in the charging box. You see right here, all you do is choose them. So right here it says multi-controls. So the unique voice wake up feature takes it to the next level. You can talk to your favorite personal assistant at any time. You can control by voice. So that's like the Google Assistant or the Siri. And then it says right here, state-of-the-art head gestures. Nod your head twice to answer phone. Shake your head twice to reject. What? So you could just be like, and then it says, this is an optimal earphone choice in any situation when you can't use your hands. Oh my God, that's nuts. The Tickle Touch control allows you to control your earphones without your phone, and is now upgraded with more features to bring you even better experience. So you can also use the wake up word, "Hey Tico," to wake up voice assistant in the device. So you just say, "Hey Tico," and then it says the wake up word can only be used when the TicPods are in your ears, and they're only supported on the TikTok 2 Pros. So you can also see right here, you can wake up. It says you can also wake up your voice assistant by long pressing for 2 seconds. And then you can see it has commands. It'll tell you something like quick commands are shortcuts that can be used to give your device direct commands in any specific scenario, such as next song, pause music, play music. And then you get the gestures where you could nod twice to pick up a phone call, or shake your head twice to reject the phone call. So right here is the touch controls. It says tickle touch. So double click to pick up an incoming call, swipe up to turn the volume up, swipe down to turn the volume down. Then it says long press for the Google Assistant. So let's just get to the product right here, which is it's presented to us in this nice plastic. Let me just take this out, just how it was presented to us, and then you got this little strip which kind of held it in. That's actually pretty cool. So let me just take this seal off of here, which also says, "Attention, please remove and discard plastic film before using." So it's got this like perforated edge, but oh crap, I didn't get that perforation edge. That's all right. We'll just put that off to the side. Let's take a look at the case, which is a nice matte black with like a fingerprint of its own. Moves are embedded, giving it like this fingerprint look to it. Like, you know, when you look at your hands, you see the lines. That's exactly how it looks, with those lines on the top, which look amazing. Then when we open them up, you can see that the lights indicate that they're turning on and everything. You get a button right here and those 2 earbuds. But let me just put these back in, and then you can see you do get some additional print on the bottom, which these are really sick. Let me just put these off to the side real quick and see what else comes inside of this box. Oh wow, that looks pretty cool. Let me put these over to the side. And now we're gonna take a look at this Mobvoi TicPods 2 Pro and 2. So make sure that you get the correct pair. I'm gonna go to that QR, and now it takes me to this thing right here. Let me see what this is. Oh, these are like instructions and stuff. Like, oh, hold on 1 second. Oh, there we go. Alright, so it's downloading something right now, but you do get this piece right here, which is your Type-C, and it says to use the one that they do provide in the charging and the instructions for charging. It says right here, add a device. The double click the key till the indicator flashes blue. 1, 2. Not appear. So look, it says paired. They're paired now, so we're gonna hit paired. And now they're connected to the app. Use translations. So you get translations, this thing. You go to settings, you have quick password, invoke headset, headset control, nod twice to answer calls. You could turn that on. The equalizer right here built in, so you get an equalizer. Back in there, and then okay, so you do also have the equalizer, the beep settings, low beep, high beep, headset touch, slide test. So let's listen to some music, and then I'm just gonna start these real quick. So let's see, right here, and I heard a beep on that right ear, left ear, and I heard a beep as well. So let me put this down. Let me go to Spotify. Open up Spotify, and let me go to something that's gonna be let me see, Nipsey Hussle, and I'm gonna go to All Get Right because that song is lit. Okay, so I have that all the way up. Okay, so the song stopped when you take it out. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna test out the volume real quick. Wow, that works perfectly. So you slide for volume. And try this side. Wow. I held it for 2 seconds. I got Google Assistant. Let's try to double tap to switch the song. Oh my god. Wow, the touch controls work perfectly fine. That volume feature is my favorite right now. These sound beautiful. The bass is heavy hitting. This is my song though right here. Alright, let's go check out a video real quick and see if there's any latency or playback latency. Wow, these line up perfectly with the lips and the words. There's no delays whatsoever. This experience for me is gonna be amazing. I kind of want to test that call feature where you can double tap to hang up and shake, but I already know it's gonna work because everything else is working perfectly fine. But make sure you guys stay locked in. Shout out to Mod Boy. I appreciate you guys 100% for sending these out and working with me. And thank you guys for checking out this channel and liking the video and hitting that bell icon so you can get notified whenever I drop a video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and Happy New Year. Peace.